Stop doubting yourself. Believe in you instead. Here's the story of Lily the ant. Once upon a time, there was a tiny ant named Lily. Lily wanted to cross a big, scary river. All the other ants laughed at her. "You can't do it, Lily," they said. But Lily didn't give up. She found a big green leaf and climbed onto it. The leaf floated and floated, taking Lily across the river. When she reached the other side, a butterfly saw her bravery. The butterfly was so impressed that it gave Lily a golden wing. Now Lily could fly. She flew back to her colony and all the ants cheered. "Believe in yourself," she said. From that day on, no ant ever doubted their strength. So remember, if a tiny ant like Lily can fly, imagine what you can do.